Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, you already know I love you. Thank you for always coming back. I noticed something while watching lots of lash videos. Many people tape their eyelids just to leave them up before installing cluster lashes. Honestly, you don't need all that stress. All you really need is your bond, your seal, your cluster lashes, a tweezer, and a mirror. Your mirror should be your best friend. Let me show you the easiest way to apply cluster lashes. Step 1. Prepare your lashes. Start by brushing your natural lashes to separate them. Next, apply a thin layer of bond from the root of your lashes to the tip. You can also apply a thin amount of glue to the base of the cluster lashes for better retainment. Allow the glue to sit for a few seconds until it becomes slightly tacky. Step 2. Position your mirror. Look directly into your mirror. Use your finger to gently lift your eyelid upward so you can clearly see your lash line. This helps you place your lashes accurately without touching your waterline. Step 3. Start applying. I'll be starting with 20 mm cluster for the outer corner. Hold the lash from the base, then place it under your natural lashes. Make sure it doesn't touch your waterline to avoid irritation. Always start from the outer corner of the eyes as you continue placing the cluster lashes. Stick them closely to each other. Overlap them slightly. Avoid leaving gap. This helps the lashes look fuller and last longer. You can follow any lash mapping style you like depending on what you want. Also feel free to change the angle of your hands until you find a position that feels better and more comfortable for you. Once you finish applying the clusters, wait for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then gently pinch your natural lashes and cluster together. You can do this with your tweezer or slightly wet fingers. This helps the cluster blend and lock in with your natural lashes. Step 5. Seal the lashes, and I'll be using this bond. It's a bonding seal. Now apply your lash seal at the base of the natural lash, at the base of the lashes, then pinch them again gently. This step locks everything in place and improves retention. Final touch. Use a cotton ball to gently sweep your waterline and allow everything to dry. Repeat the same process on the other eyes and boom, your cluster lashes are installed. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and then tell me in the comments, do you prefer cluster lashes or strip lashes?